Hi, this is Art Draw. Today we're going to draw this street style one ball from Fortnite. So let's get in at the top. I'm going to go into the middle here and I'm going to draw like that helmet area. So I'm going to get a pen, sort of start from sort of at the top of here. I'm just going to draw a little curve right down to the chin area there. Square it off the base. Then I'm going to draw another sort of curve on the other side down this way. Just join it up either side, the top and bottom there. He's got that circle on his mask with the wall in it. So first of all, I'm just going to go in there, draw a nice solid circle. Then I'm going to work out the neck area below the head. So kind of going to just go for sort of this side here and sort of neck space and just curve it out. This side on the right, I'm just going to do the same sort of thing, just curve it out a little bit. Then we've got that neck area coming out to the shoulders, and the shoulders have got like sort of padding on. So what I'm going to do is just get my pen sort of up here and up here. I think it's like the shoulder pad start. So I'm going to just draw like a bit higher than the neck, a little curve there, a bit higher than the neck, a little curve there. And what I can do is work out my neck area. So I think this then sort of curves around sort of this area here. Underneath that neck we've drawn, sort of join it up. And then we can draw like the pec area of this sort of skin. So I'm going to bring my pen down this way. So just bring the pen down this way, curve it in. And then bring your pen down from the edge of this area here, curve in and around, I think, to underneath where the shoulder would be, sort of down here. And then the black of the costume, the sort of the outer sort of parts sort of mold into this sort of this like multicolour look. So it kind of is a bit tricky to do, but I guess there's another little sort of line down here for the pecs. So just draw a little line down there and it kind of curves around here to the edge, and maybe we'll just sort of draw a little sort of pec area in around there, okay? Right, either side of this, there's two big shoulder pads. So I've got one big shoulder pad sort of here. So I'm just gonna draw from sort of just below that bit we just drawn and up. And then probably from about this point maybe, there's a little bit of a gap where his arm's blue. So I'm just gonna draw in a nice sort of curve, sort of triangle, I guess, pop it out there. And we can just do a little line to join up where the arms would be there. So we're starting to get that top area of the character together. Right. Arm's going to come out here and his sort of staff is along here, but what I'm going to do is just sort of work out where his torso is. So we've got this sort of pec muscle, the rib cage probably comes underneath it, just sort of down like that. And then we kind of, I guess, just come in, sort of taper in where his, I guess his sort of abs are going to be. And then on this side, I think the arm's going to come down this way, so I'm just going to draw in like where the back muscle would be, sort of curve it in. And then we've got like a line where, again, he's sort of got his torso in around there, okay? Right, now I've got those bits in. I might just draw this arm in here. So we've got like the bicep coming down this way. So I'm just gonna draw just a line, just miss out a little bit there. Just draw a line down like that here. And the tricep area is there, so just draw a little tricep there. Then he's got like a big sort of forearm sort of pad on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw curve like that, sort of line that's slightly diagonal there, then taper into probably about here, just taper it in, like going down there where the forearm is. There's a little band on his wrist, so I'm just gonna draw a little sort of band, sort of curved rectangle just around there. And then I've got the hand sort of just falls down this way, so I'm just gonna draw a little thumb in here, so sort of where the wrist comes in, where this band is, just come in a little bit. Just gonna draw a little sort of thumb like that, and then I can continue from that thumb and just sort of give a hint that you sort of got a hand around there, okay? Cool, okay. Now we're gonna work out sort of where the legs are. So we'll do this arm last of all. And really now we've got sort of the torso area here will sort of come out a little bit, sort of come down this way on the outer part, so sort of down like that. On this side, it kind of just, the leg sort of just sweeps down to about there. The midsection of the leg is probably about here. And we can do the inner part of the leg sort of coming down, sort of fairly muscly, so it sort of tapers in a bit there. And on this side, we kind of just taper it on the other side, and we bring this line will come down here, just down like so. Got like this little knees in, so I'm just going to draw a couple of little lines sort of to show the knees off there. And then we kind of goes in and then tapers out a bit where the boots will come in. So just taper out from the knee. And then he's got sort of boots on that kind of like blocky at the top. So I'm going to just cap these legs off like that. I'm just going to draw 2 lines either side of that cap, and then we'll join it up like that. Okay, cool. Now I've got that, I'm going to do the rest of the legs. So this one's going to taper down to about here. So we're just going to draw 2 lines in there, and up here we're going to go and I guess just draw 2 lines there. Okay. This foot's coming out this way, so all I need to do is sort of bring my pen out where I'll draw my line there, just curve it out sort of there and around, back to a heel, and then just join that heel up. Little band on the foot as well. This one's slightly trickier because it comes out, but all we've got to do is sort of come down to this point. We're gonna draw this little band in first, so a nice little curved rectangle. Then we just have to draw the front of the foot. So draw a nice sort of curve around there. We've got the front of the foot there going on. Right, let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw this arm. So I think we've kind of got a bicep that kind of comes down here from this piece of armor. The behind part of the arm to the elbow is going to come down like that. And then I guess it just sort of comes back on itself like this. Got that nice sort of band like we have here, so a nice curved rectangle there. Then I guess we have a little thumb around the staff, so I'm just going to sort of draw a little oblong that sort of joins up here. And then I'm just going to draw like a hint of some fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers there. Okay, now I can draw the staff in. So first of all, I'm going to have the staff going this way, so I'm just going to draw a line going that way, sort of all the way to the back over here. This side, just same sort of thing, just have that staff going along, try and taper it up a little bit so it's a bit smaller at the back. A couple of lines to finish that off. And then it comes out this way, so it comes out sort of this way, and from the thumb it sort of pops out sort of that way. Widen it out if you can, and then a couple of sort of curves, circle it off there, and then there's a couple of little sort of rings along there to give it the impression that it's sort of curved as well. Sort of got that at the back too, around there, okay? Then we just need to join up the hand at that point there. Right, now I'm gonna just have a look, see if there's any more detail we can do. So we've got this 1 on the mask. So I'm gonna draw, get into the center, just gonna draw a line like that. And then at the top, just draw a horizontal line, just gonna draw then a diagonal, draw the top of the 1, another vertical line, and then just like a little part rectangle at the bottom there, just to give that 1 going on. The rest of that I think I'll leave. There's almost like a few little sort of designs in here, so I'm just gonna, on sort of the chest part, 2 horizontal lines, just offset, join that up. There's almost like a couple of little squiggles there where we've got some patterns and detail, and I think around here on this bit of armour there's a little curve there and a little curve there, sort of half circle. 2 in the middle of this pad here, there's sort of blue going on, so I'm just going to sort of leave an area of that, and then a little bit of detail just around there. I think I'm going to leave a little bit over here. There's almost like a little hint inside here though of where sort of the 2 sort of patterns mix up. So they've got this sort of black charcoaly padding and then this sort of vibrant colour. So I'm just going to get my pen from this sort of point of the pec here and just sort of wiggle it down sort of to the torso area and back up like that, so we've got like a clear definition between it. Then just a couple of sort of straight lines where we've got sort of the padding, and maybe there's a little bit where the ab is there, so we can just come up, maybe just join those areas up, and we'll join up the bits there. Cool, okay. Just gonna enhance my outline a little bit, so just sort of come down here, just sort of join up these There he is here. Just make it pop a little bit more so it becomes a little bit more of a full figure. Maybe just around the head a touch there, around the padding. There. And then there's a little bit more detail sort of down here. There's a couple of curves there for the padding. And maybe the boot is a bit sort of darker on the edge. Just sort of come around like that. There we go, not too much, but just a little bit of enhancement. Sort of those outer lines, maybe just give them a bit of a pop. Right, now I've got those bits in. I think actually the knee pads have a little bit of detail as well. So I'm just going to draw a couple of lines either side up and down of the knees and just join that up with a like hexagon box there. Right, this is a cool bit now. I'm going to start adding a little bit more sort of colour. So first of all, get myself a lighter blue, and I'm just going to start sort of just filling in sort of these areas around the head, and we'll top up a bit more in a bit, but this is like the start, just a nice base colour we can use on the arms and the inside there, a bit of blue in here, and there's a tiny bit of blue sort of going on around the torso, so I'm just going to sort of just use that as my nice base colour, a bit of blue in there, going around the edges of this band and this glove, which is a bit in there too, and on these little bits here. Right, now I've got that in, I'm going to give myself, get a more vibrant blue. I'm just going to start just patching in some additional sort of, just some little pattern work. It's almost like this is all moving around this sort of street style that we've got here. So just going to start adding this nice sort of vibrant blue. It's going to just go over the top of that lighter blue. Just like a bit of energy really on this figure. Maybe actually these sort of bands we've got can just have those edges capped in, and then just around the glove. Feel like there's a bit around here too. Yeah, we'll fill in that. Yeah, that's starting to pop. Then we've got a bit more, just a little bit going on around the edges here. There's almost like a little sort of blue flower going on, so I'm gonna just sort of try and just draw in some little rings around here. We've kind of got maybe, it's like a little bird going on there, so just give a little hint that there's some exciting stuff going on. Then we can just pop it onto that area there. Then get myself a nice vibrant pink, and I'm gonna start just blocking in a bit more. So a nice zingy pink, sort of nice and fluorescent sort of colours all around here. Just sort of block in some nice vibrant colour all around. Like a little crown on there, just give a hint to have to draw it in. Just to give a hint that we've got some nice sort of block colour going on. Just going to get in that yellow, just going to just block in, I think, the rest of it yellow, and then we'll just pop a green like over the top. So a nice bit of yellow going on, sort of drips down. There we are, to the lower parts. Actually a bit of yellow on there, and actually while we're here we might as well sort of fill the main areas of the stick in. Oh yeah, and on the head there, there's a few more little bits we can colour in around here that can be yellow as well, and then just fill in the yellow around that area too. Now I've got the yellow in, get myself a green and just sort of pop in a few little zingy bits of green. Might just get a more vibrant one, see what we've got. How does this one look? I think this might, yeah, that'll just give us a little bit more oomph over the top there. Just sort of patch in a few areas where we might have some green. All sort of joins up, so it's all like nice and vibrant around there. Maybe there's just a little hint of that going on there too. So those bits are filled in. Let's get ourselves a light grey and just sort of block in a few of those sort of lighter sort of colour aspects around, like the staff. And then I think on the edging of the character here, I'm just going to block in some lighter colour. So I've got a nice bit of variance in a minute. We're going to add a dark sort of grey in a mo, but it's just nice to have just a little bit of variance on this figure and just show a bit of the detail that we've created as well. There you are, a little bit of light grey. Then all we got to do now is go grab ourselves a nice sort of dark colour. Just start filling in, get that star filled in. It doesn't have to be truly black, but it just gives us a little bit of variance, I think. Just start filling in some of these areas, this whole block in there. And there's actually a couple of little bits down the arm, and then we can just fill in the rest. Just block in the rest of that lighter colour. It's quite a nice skin to draw, this one. Like lots of multicolour. The way you approach it is always interesting as well. Just block in. These nice colours. This is all filled in now, and then it's really from the feet upwards. Just block in that nice colour. Up round here. There we go. Let's block it all in. Cool. Right, I think that looks pretty cool. Maybe just a little bit of a finishing, a little bit more sort of zingy blue going on in the one. Maybe it's all popping out a bit more there. Just a little tad of a touch. There we go. And there we are, that's Street Style Womble from Fortnite Chapter 2 Remix. Let me know in the comments who else I can draw. I'll keep on doing them. Thanks for your support. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.